Hello beautiful people. In this video we are talk about the top 5 best business backpacks in 2021 you can buy Amazon. Here are OnlyBetterOnes. We are a bunch of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze and research new products and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. So if you are interested in any product, I have linked to each product description below. You can check if you want. If are new to this channel, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon. But why travel with a backpack? Briefcases, like the fax machine, are a relic of the past. They're helpful, but they're not as effective. You'll need a bag if you're traveling with a laptop, crucial documents, more chargers than a bus full of LA football players, and enough munchies to survive an airport apocalypse. Just like the internet altered the way we work, backpacks are altering the way we travel. I mean, there was a time when a backpack was just a backpack, but now there are backpacks designed expressly for work, hiking, ultralight travel, and everything in between. With so many options, selecting the ideal bag for work and travel can be difficult. You want the perfect fit, just like a good pair of shoes, and luckily for you, I've used, tested, researched, and prepared a list of the finest business travel backpacks for 2021. You can trust that every business travel backpack on this list is a high-quality, long-lasting, and TSA-compliant bag made exclusively for travel and business. Number 5. Samsonite Tectonic 2. Carry your gear in style and comfort with the black Tectonic 2 medium backpack from Samsonite. This pack features a tricot-lined padded drop-in compartment fitting laptops up to 15.6 inches, a front organizer pocket with a sleeve for your iPad or tablet, and a spacious main compartment for the rest of your gear. 2 quick-access exterior pockets provide space for small items such as headphones and sunglasses, while side mesh pockets accommodate water bottles. Wear the backpack with the comfortable, padded, adjustable shoulder straps, or carry it using the convenient padded top handle. There's also a rear strap for use with a rolling luggage trolley handle. Number 4. TIMBUK2 Parkside. TIMBUK2's bags are stylish and thoughtful, being one of the few remaining bag manufacturers in San Francisco. Their command bag combines a basic style with ease of use for business travelers. It's difficult to determine where the front compartments are at first glance, but closer investigation reveals that they've been expertly integrated into the design. A small zip pouch for accessories is located at the top, and a larger one runs vertically along the side. The central compartment is the largest, and it carries more than it appears. It also contains a checkpoint-friendly laptop compartment that is smaller than the rest of the backpack. When the bag is sized down to fit less stuff, compression straps make it feel like you're carrying a smaller backpack. Number 3. eBags Pro Weekender. This eBags bag is all about business. This top business backpack not only has a slick, clean-lined appearance for professionals, but it can also be changed into a briefcase if you don't want to wear a backpack to meetings. It also has a plethora of pockets, making it a veritable fortress of organization. There's a hard-shell headphone compartment on the bottom, a tablet pocket on the top, space for a 17-inch laptop, and a slew of different places to stash pencils, notebooks, and other items in the front. Amazing. Number 2. Thule Crossover. Every time you go on a business trip, you'll be bringing expensive and irreplaceable items, like as documents and content on your laptop and hard drive/USB sticks. With the backpack's added security features, the Thule Crossover guarantees that these are kept as safe as possible. Despite the fact that it lacks the capacity and compartments of other larger business backpacks, it compensates with a padded base that protects your laptop and tablet when you set it down, a removable crush-proof section for valuable portable electronics, and water-resistant fabrics and zippers to keep water out. Due to its height and rectangular design, the Thule Crossover backpack is suitable for transporting a combination of technology and large documents/books. Students, lawyers, attorneys, and accountants will benefit much from it. Oh, and it looks the part, too. Number 1. Nomatic Navigator Travel. With the Nomatic Navigator Travel 32 liters backpack, you can carry all of your essentials when traveling. This travel backpack is vital for anyone wishing to chronicle their adventures or pack up and go effortlessly and swiftly. It can hold up to 5 days of clothing and computers up to 17 inches. You can organize and store smaller goods while traveling using a variety of mesh and zipper pockets. While in travel, an RFID safe pocket protects your chip-enabled card safe. External carry straps and twin shoulder straps are included on the water-resistant outer shell, providing comfort for both short and long travels. Zippers that are tamper-proof secure your contents, preventing others from quickly accessing your valuables. Waist straps are offered for longer journeys, providing additional support and weight distribution.